In this video, I'll just quickly show you how to get Kluster.ai up running with Aichat. The first thing I'm going to do is just install Aichat. And that's done using Cargo, so Cargo install Aichat. And in my case, I already have it installed, but this command will make sure that you get it. Next thing, just run Aichat. Tells you don't have a configuration file. Do you want to create one? Yes, we do. And so Kluster.ai is OpenAI compatible, so that will be what we choose here. We just write down Kluster.ai. Okay, so API base, that's https://api.kluster.ai/v1. API key, go here, create a new API key, and just copy that to the clipboard, paste it into the terminal. Okay, and next we want to add the model. Go to the playground, just pick DeepSeek model and copy that across. Okay, press enter to that. Let's see. Hello. There you go, we are up running.